What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen. I know you saw the thumbnail. I'm making a loaded baked potato in the Instant Pot. They did it in the microwave. Well, they did it in the oven first. They did it in the toaster oven. They did it in the microwave. Now we're doing it in the Instant Pot. And before we get started, guys, we are showing you my apron once again. Everything's in the description below, SoulfulTproducts.com. You got until Saturday the 10th to get your order in. Yeah, only US only, $26, guys, plus $3.75 for shipping, black or white. Email us, pay through PayPal at SoulfulT45@gmail.com. And so with that being said, let's get started. Okay, we're using the Instant Pot again. Oh. And again, like I said, they did a microwave, they did a conventional oven, they did a toaster oven, and then you can do an Instant Pot. Guess what? For 10 minutes. I showed you guys my Instant Pot before, but I never used the rack. This is the rack that comes with it because I'm gonna put my potatoes in here and let it sit just like this. They had the little legs on it, handles, just sit it in just like this.
Yay.
Oh, it's a hand video, guys, because I don't know if anybody noticed. I am in the middle of getting some stuff done. I think I said before, to my teeth and everything. You guys know what's going on with that. So my mouth is swollen, it's sore, so we're gonna make this a hand video today. So I have
it's okay.
And it's okay.
That rhymes.
I had some Idaho baked potatoes that I bought. I did use bacon potatoes. If you want to use any type of potatoes, you can. But specifically for this video, I actually pick up bacon potatoes. And it will say bacon potatoes in your local store. So I had 3 of them. I'm going to place here on my rack.
That's my good bacon.
I'm going to go in with a cup of water. Just 1 cup of water. That's it. These are going to go on 10 minutes. I have this right here. It's already plugged up. I'm going to lock and load it.
Lock and load it.
Wait a minute. Here. You know, you guys, sometimes this thing is so hard.
Bloopers.
You got to make sure it's on here, too. I hate this thing.
That's why it's not working. You say you
hate it. It's like, what's up with this?
Come on, dude, got to twist around.
It's so hard. It's
Come on.
Okay.
Let me just cut it.
Wait a minute, no. There you go. You know what? Okay. It's gonna be the last time.
I think you got the last time. You got it?
I got it.
That's so difficult.
No, I don't got it.
Oh, okay. You got to cut. We be bad, man.
There you go. I did it. Okay.
After 7 minutes.
Right. We're going to turn it on. I got to pull down the glasses, you guys. Oh, is it plugged up? Oh, I ain't plugged it up. Oh, yeah, I did plug it up. Okay, so I plugged it up.
See the light on.
Oh, wait a minute. It's looking now.
Come on, you got to press the power button.
I'll make sure my thing closed at the top for one.
I see a light. Oh, that's the camcorder light on the
Okay,
phone.
why this not coming? Oh, let me just make sure it's in the right plug. Make sure. There you go. Ooh, that plug. Girl, I just say, I broke the Instant Pot. Okay, first of all, you got to make sure that your pressure is down up here. Pressure valve is closed. The gray part is down. I'm going to hit pressure cook. And I have it on normal. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to 10 minutes. And there it is. And it's going to heat up and do what it do. We'll be back when it's finished. We're going to put it all together.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I let this do a natural. You ready now? I let this do a natural release where that I didn't come after 10 minutes. I just let it do it itself. So let's go. Look at all that. Ah! I burned the breast. with the water.
Oh my God, Mom.
Oh, let's go down in there and see. Okay, so
That's a big
yeah, I did 10 minutes. They're not ready. Nope.
Mom.
Because I did 10 minutes. I wanted to make sure they were going to be good to go. So I'm going to do another 10 minutes.
Are they going to be hard?
No, this is the pressure cooker. So I'm going to go for another 10 minutes. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put 20. I'm going to put 15 minutes on it. I'm going to put 15 minutes on this because these are some big, thick potatoes. So let's see if we get it back. I did it. That little bit of steam. Shut the pressure. Let me shut this thing back. Okay.
I can't wait to Thanksgiving so you cook.
Well, potatoes, he must have found it.
Yeah.
So let me start it back up again. I think I'm gonna go for 15 minutes. So these are some really thick potatoes, and I want them done right. So there it is. Once it say on, it's gonna start all over again. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I have a couple of slices of cheese in here. What about maybe 3 tablespoons of whole milk? Because I'm about to make the cheese sauce. And this is about like a cup of shredded cheese. I'm making this cheese sauce. Give me that milk right there. I don't want to use too much milk. Hand me that milk, Brandon.
Yeah, you don't want to. Yeah.
Yes, this is going to be my cheese sauce, guys. I'll say about 5 tablespoons of milk. See that? Just let that melt up. That's going on there. I'm gonna let that sit like that. Let it melt up. So here we go. Come over here to this. Now 10 plus 15 is 25. I got it, boo. I got it. Cause these some big old boys. Ooh,
they done now.
Yes. That's some big old boys.
Ain't it like 30 minutes doing like that?
No, 25. I'm gonna take it out with my hand because this is my potato.
Go in. Go in.
Okay. We're gonna do the deed on this. My cheese sauce is cooking on a low. Look at this potato. Instant Pot. Look at that potato. This is a big boy too.
Don't you need a knife, Mom?
I got that, boy.
Okay, girl.
I got that. I got my pepper. Only I need to give me a little bit of salt.
It's black pepper.
Yes.
I ain't never had pepper like this before.
Can you reach the salt for me? Your arms are long.
Yep. God bless me with long arms. I was saying that at work today too. I had to carry a certain thing. I told my supervisor that God bless me with long arms.
I'm going to go ahead and take my knife from this end to that end. Just cut it open. And whoo, look at that, baby.
Holy mama jalopy.
Yes. Take a fork or a spoon, whatever you have. Once you cut that bad boy open, pull them potatoes. Pull that potatoes out. They can come just like this.
That cheese bubbling over there too.
Yeah, the cheese bubbling. Yes.
I mean bubbling. I said ball.
What we putting in ours, you most definitely do yours different, okay? Look at that. They can't even stay together, but that's okay. I don't want to stay together. I'm going in with some margarine.
You don't like a lot of sour cream yours, though, do you?
Oh, we left the sour cream in the refrigerator. We most definitely got to get that. Look how this is fell apart. I don't even know if it's going to look pretty. At this point, I don't even care.
I kind of say that when you kind of split it. Oh, but I say, yeah, it's about to fall apart. The way
Yeah, because it's tender.
The way you
Okay.
did it, too.
I'm going in with just a little bit. Remember, because you got butter and stuff. But I still just got to have a teeny bit of salt. So you're going to be using cheese, not that much. Parsley flakes, just because I like them. You can have chives. I don't like chives.
They got a taste to it.
I don't know. I got my pepper. I just like the prettiness of it all. Okay? And my pepper. Alright, we're going to cut real quick. Let me check on my cheese. Okay, we're back. I got my sour cream. So what should I do first? I got my butter, my salt, my pepper, my parsley flakes. If you like, what's that stuff called? Oh, what did I say? Chives. Fresh chives or dry chives. Look at my cheese sauce.
Oh, mama.
Yes, we about to do that right now.
Come on, you can put that on top of a Philly cheesesteak.
Remember, I made this. This is how I make my Philly cheesesteak sauce.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait.
This recipe, guys, is up to you on how much or what you want to put on your potato. Is that too much cheese?
I don't think so, baby.
I don't know, boo. And then you let the cheese sit. Always just add just a little bit more milk to it. Loosen it up. Now, I'm going in. What? Let me stir this up.
That's for you.
My sour cream. Not that much. Just a dollop. A dollop.
Dollop Daisy.
Yes. Then I made fresh bacon
Can I see
in
that
the
real
oven. Fresh bacon in the oven. I'm just gonna do just like that.
Man, you want to slap your mama? Come here,
Fresh bacon in the oven.
I'm playing.
It's all up to you, people. Now, at this point, you can top it with a little bit of green, which be your chives. Mine is my boo. That's my dinner. Now, at this point, if you have broccoli, you want to add to this, you can add yourself some broccoli. I made 3 in total because only certain kids wanted some. So guess what?
Can I be a certain kid?
No, you eliminate yourself. you said, oh, I got. Okay, this loaded potato is done. This is the way I like it here in my house. Guys, again, add some broccoli to it if you want vegetables. This will be an all-around feel full meal. This is a loaded baked potato by me in my house, the way I like it. Until next time, guys, I am out. Love you, Soul Squad.
And I'm back, babe.
Okay, Brandon. Bye, guys. Guys, so this is my Dutch apple pie. You want to do it this way? That right there, got you. Let's do that thumbnail. That looks so good. Guys, until